Okay, so we got a bit of an update on the Game Gear. The Game Gear. Oh yeah, I've got Castle of Illusion for it now. Now, Game Gear's playing fine. I'm not. I forget how hard these bloody games are, or other than that, I'm totally rubbish. Probably the latter, or a bit of both. Anyway, the problem I'm still having is this power socket isn't working. And anyone who has ever played or used a Game Gear in the past knows that it eats batteries like Coke addict goes through powder. It's crazy. It's an addiction. It has. It just goes through them. I've got this used one that I know works. It's a bit scabby, needs cleaning up. But my intention is to put that in and see if that rectifies the issue. It's coming out anyway. Ha ha. Right, here's the power board. So just need to quickly whip that out. What was it? Bit gone now. But there. God, these things they like to walk around on their own, don't they? Hopefully this works, and this will be the last time I have to take this Game Gear apart, because I actually just want to play it now. Ah, there's a screw that doesn't want to come out. Isn't that always the case? Just put a bit of pressure on the back and it will. There we are. Why am I singing like this? We don't know. Right. Let's move this out the way. Move this out the way. Right. So this is a different jack. This is a different jack. It ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna fit. Bastard. Ah. I wonder if I could run wires. Just to see if it is that. Let's run some wires just to see if it is that. Because if it works, then I know to go and buy a plug. Do 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 do. 1, 2, 3. There are two kinds of love. Not trying to do anything methodical here. Not that I do anyway. Just strip these wires down. I just want to attach them momentarily, just to see if we get power. So one here. Like I said, this is not permanent. This is just quick to test. Ah, come on, you swine! Ah, come on! I'll do. Right, so that one goes to there, to here. Oh, cool, it's already, well, I can just use the solder that's already on it, see. Again, it's not permanent fix, it's just a test. So don't panic, Captain Mandarin. Right, one. Let's bend that away so they don't connect. I'm gonna have to use some solder. There. Just poke that one through it. Well, I'm gonna work like this, just put some solder on it. Right. 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 So let's plug this in now. Don't try this at home, kids. Like I said, I am an idiot. Right. Right. Let's put the plug in. Like I said, all I want to see is if it's power. I don't know if that's actually going to work, is it? I might do. Right, anyway. Just put the switch on. Yes. We have power, so it is the socket. Oh, you can see it actually through it, can't you? See? Anyway, so it is the socket, so I need to get a new socket then. Right, so let's get a new socket ordered and report back when it's in. Decided to do a quick hack whilst I wait for the other one to show up. So what I'm going to do is take this one off. Get it fluxed up. Put a bit of pressure there now. There. Bloody hell, that didn't want to come out. Oh, look at that. That's probably why he's broken. Hey. Right. Drop of Indian Pale Ale. Give it a clean. Nice. Nice. Tidy but tidy. Right. First off, let's put this solder back on, yeah. There. Right, so let's tin these up a bit. So that one was there. Huh? There we are. That one comes here. Let's put a bit more solder on that one. Lovely. And then this one comes over here. Right. So again, if I'm right, that should power on now. I'm going to plug it in. Which it has. Marvellous. So I need to do now, just run that over here. Will that now stay in there? This is the question now, isn't it? Will this all fit in here? Yes, it does. So if I hot glue it there, that's actually quite nice. Right, let's do the hot glue. Put a nice bulbous amount on. Force this down and hold it. The screws back in now. What I'm going to do now, Put a blob over there so it doesn't short out. Let's put that in. One of two things is going to happen here, isn't it? It's either going to work or it's not. Ha ha! Hey, hey, hey! Hey, 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 hey! And I forgot to put that back in again. There we are. I'll put that back in later on. I haven't got time now. But there we are. That's the game gear. As far as I'm concerned, I won't spend any more time with it now. But until our next adventure, keep cool. And just think, the fix-it will be back. Ta-da! Ta-da!